Golden Dome has one clear objective: to defend the homeland against long-range ballistic, cruise, and hypersonic missile threats. To achieve that objective, Golden Dome will require seamless connectivity across operational domains and transports, enabling a multi-domain, system of systems defensive architecture that can evolve as fast as the threat environment. To succeed on an aggressive schedule, Golden Dome needs to be built on proven fielded software infrastructure. The same connectivity frameworks already deployed across multiple mission-critical systems. It needs to work reliably even when links are disconnected, denied, intermittent, or low bandwidth. It needs to follow a modular open systems approach, MOSA, and be built on approved open standards so that new sensors, analytics, and effectors can be fielded with minimal downtime without requiring major system rework. Most importantly, Golden Dome needs mechanisms that ensure the right data reaches the right decision makers at the right echelon, at the speed of need, while intelligently routing and synchronizing data across multiple security domains. For all of these reasons and more, RTI Connext is already integrated across mission-critical defense systems relevant to Golden Dome, providing a TRL-9 standards-based solution that accelerates situational awareness across all echelons and ensures security and governance of mission data in motion. RTI Connext enables system integrators and primes to create architectures that are platform-agnostic, data-centric, and software-defined, capable of evolving continuously as new mission logic, AI modules, and third-party applications are introduced. By supporting modularity, interoperability, and real-time routing between heterogeneous systems, Connext helps realize Golden Dome's core imperative: to field an integrated cross-domain defensive architecture quickly and to keep improving it continuously. From rapid prototyping to operational deployment to in-theater upgrade, RTI Connext provides the enduring connectivity backbone needed to meet Golden Dome's aggressive schedule without sacrificing resilience or reliability. RTI Connext, the software connectivity framework for Golden Dome.